These are meter sticks here. I can go over here to the far right edge here and see, make sure that I'm reaching the edge. And I can do the same thing over here. Okay, and now I am going to set my origin at this location. So I guess normally you would think that I would probably be here, but the 50 mark is here and the 50 mark is here. So I'm going to set this right here. So that's our 0, 0. The value at the top here is 1 meter. So it's already set. So I have 1246 pixels equals to 1 meter. Okay. So let's see here. Okay. So we need to take a snapshot of this. Take a snapshot, go back to your Dropbox folder. And once you're in your Dropbox folder, you're going to go to your physics folder. And in your physics folder, you will need to save this. So let me go back one more. And I have physics brass Eric. And let me look for a unit circle folder. If I don't have one in here, I'll put it in there. Or trigonometry. It's really, we started off with trigonometry with this, but I'll call it unit circle. You need me? Okay. Unit circle, and that'll be good enough. I'll just create that right there. And in the first thing that I'll do is I'll just place a folder here, and I'll just call this trigonometry. I misspelled that. Okay, and I better label it trigonometry 1. And I'm going to upload that photo right here. So let me relabel that photo, origin and scale. And I'll just place this into that folder. All right. So we want to keep our documentation nice and tight, and we are on our way. Okay. So here we go. I have a 30 centimeter unit circle, and I am going to start placing points on here. We don't need a point at the origin. We need a point starting like right over here. So I'm going to start with this point right here. And I'm going to take points all the way around. So this is just going through frames. All right. Ideally, this would be the one that I need. And I'm trying to stay around each point, like the center of each point. Oh, you keep going. So I'm going to go ahead and say, here's my other point. Just keep going on around. Okay, and I'll put another point right here. Boom. And you can see that the video shifted a little bit, but that's okay. Let's just look at our graph real quick. Oh, looks nice, looks real nice, okay? So I'm gonna say done. I'm gonna go ahead and take a snapshot of this. I'll just take one real quick, and I'm gonna upload this video with points to my folder on Dropbox. So you'll see that it'll render fairly quickly. Part of the reason why I'm taking snapshots is because I want you guys to learn how to journal, okay? So I'm not going to put that in today. I'm going to choose a different folder. And my folder is this one. So remember that it was unit circle. And I'm putting it under trigonometry. And I'll just choose that one and save. You'll notice that it's already labeled. And so I don't have to relabel it or anything like that. I don't even have to stay in the app. It'll keep processing. One of the things that I want to do is I want to go into paper by 53, and then I want to start journaling this work. All right. And typically for me, it's just a lecture, but you would want to keep step by step